Google Play Store keeps crashing or stopping fix. Now, if your Google Play Store isn't working properly, there could be many reasons for it. First of all, I want you to make sure it is not an internet connection. So make sure your internet is working just fine. Second, make sure your system is actually up to date. So open up settings, go to about phone, go to software information, and make sure it is updated to the latest version. Now, after you've done that, what you can try to do is go to apps. In the apps section, also try to look for the inbuilt apps and enable those options. You have to search for two apps now. The first is Google Play Store itself. So first you can simply go ahead and search for Google Play Store, and then just go to the storage option, clear the cache files and clear the data and delete it. And then after that, if you actually see the three dots option from the top right, you can select that and uninstall any updates that you have installed recently for Google Play Store. So tap on the Uninstall Updates button. Now after you do that, you can also force stop it, disable it, and re-enable it again. After you do this, do the same process for the second app, which is the Google Play Services app. Go here and go to storage and clear the cache files and clear the data, disable, enable, force stop, and tap the three dots and uninstall the updates. After you've done this, reopen your Play Store. Once you open up Play Store, it might take a while because you have cleared the data. Now tap the profile icon from the top right, then simply go to settings, then go to about, then make sure your Play Store is updated to the latest version. Also make sure that you're showing your device is certified, because this means you're using the official software provided to you by your manufacturer or your phone brand. After you've done all these steps, this should definitely help you solve the problem. If not, you can also simply try to give it a quick restart or restart your device and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.